I'm gonna make this wreath out of dollar store, well, not dollar store, Dollar Tree flowers. I did purchase this wreath at Walmart. Again, my Dollar Tree did not have this wreath, so I just ran into Walmart and got this. This one is a 19-inch. If you guys were wondering, I went ahead and made my bow first this time. And you can go check that video out on how to make this bow in the description box. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is put this bow on first. Here's the seam of this, and I'm gonna do it a little past the seam. This time I ended up getting a different color flower. So I'm just gonna put that on there and then tie it, pin it down, doesn't matter. And I'll fluff it and fix it when I'm done. So this time I ended up getting white this time, and this has like somewhat of a green blue in this. I thought it was really cute. It doesn't have gold this time, it has white. Dollar Tree, yeah, they were running out of flowers pretty quickly, so I'm gonna go ahead and start cutting these off. Again, I got 6 this time because I'm not sure how the white is gonna do on this, because you know white sometimes can be see-through. So I'm just gonna go ahead and use my wire cutters and cut all these flowers off. Okay, so now that I have the flowers on, I am going to go ahead and start putting in fillers. I did see these that I may use. I have these as well. These here, and I did pick up some red flowers. They are smaller. I do want to incorporate these, but I'm not sure if I'm going to. If not, then I will for sure use these as decorations around the house. So I guess we'll go ahead and start with just some of these right here and get them cut off. If you're not into glitter and making a mess, then try to get the ones without glitter. They do have just like green ones. So if you just want green, then get green. So normally when I do these, I try to put them here and some here. So that's what I'll do now. So this is what it looks like when I added some greenery. I do think this needs more red in it. So I'm gonna put, these are smaller than these, which I am perfectly fine with. And I'm gonna make sure I use the stems because this needs more greenery than anything, I think. I'm just gonna stick them randomly. Okay guys, so this is what the final wreath looks like. I think it turned out cute. I did end up adding a couple of more red flowers that I had here at the house. So yeah, in total this was about $18. And that's including the wreath from Walmart. So that's a foam wreath. And yeah, I hope you guys really like this video. This one is more fuller than the last one I made, but that's perfectly fine. I was afraid that the white was going to show the green wreath, and I was right. So you kind of do need a bunch of fillers for this wreath if you plan on using white flowers. But I hope you guys like this video, and please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you.